Did you enjoy your morning coffee? Yes, it was perfect. Just what I needed to start the day. No, it was too bitter for my taste. Did you have a productive day at work? Yes, I accomplished everything on my to do list. No, I kept getting distracted. Are you feeling well today? Yes, I'm feeling great. Thanks for asking. No, I have a headache and feel a bit sick. Are you looking forward to the weekend? Yes, I can't wait to relax and spend time with family. No, I have to work overtime on Saturday. Did you have a pleasant commute today? Yes, traffic was light and I arrived early. No, there were delays on the train and I was late for my meeting. Have you been keeping up with your exercise routine? Yes, I have been going to the gym regularly and I feel so much healthier. No, I need to get back on track. Did you enjoy the weather today? Yes, it was sunny and warm, perfect for spending time outdoors. No, it was cloudy, so I stayed inside all day. Are you happy with your new phone? Yes, it's much faster and has a better camera than my old one. No, it's keep freezing and the battery life is terrible. Did you try new restaurants recently? Yes, I tried a new Italian place downtown. The pasta was delicious. Have you been anywhere new? Are you enjoying reading the book you started? Yes, it's really captivating. Here, captivating means something which is interesting and holds your attention. No, I'm finding it boring. Did you enjoy your evening walk? Yes, the weather was perfect and it was so peaceful. No, it started raining. Are you enjoying learning a new language? Yes, it's fascinating to learn about different cultures. No, I'm finding it difficult to remember all the vocabulary. Are you excited about your upcoming vacation? Yes, I can't wait to explore a new place. No, I'm worried about the long flight and leaving my pets behind. Do you have any plans for the holidays? I'm thinking about visiting my family. How about you? Did you enjoy watching that movie last night? Yes, it was really funny. No, I found it boring. How is work going? It's been busy but manageable. How about you? Did you finish your project ahead of schedule? Yes, I did. I worked extra hours and managed to complete it earlier than expected. No, it took longer than I anticipated. There were some unexpected challenges along the way. Are you looking forward to the upcoming concert? Absolutely. I have been waiting for it for months. Not really. I'm not a fan of the band. Have you tasted the new ice cream flavor? Yes, it's delicious. It's my new favorite flavor. No, not yet. I'm not sure if I will like it. Did you finish your homework early? Yes, I finished it quickly. Now I have time to relax. No, it took me a while. Some questions were hard to understand. Did you enjoy the museum visit yesterday? Yes, it was fascinating. I learned a lot about history and art. No, it wasn't very interesting. I got bored quickly and the museum was too crowded. Would you be interested in joining our book club? Absolutely. I love reading. Thanks for the invitation, but I don't have much free time for reading at the moment. How is your new job going? It's going really well. I'm enjoying the work and getting along with my coworkers. It's been a bit challenging. There is a lot to learn and I'm still adjusting to the new environment. Did you get a chance to work on your hobby over the weekend? Yes, it was so fulfilling. Unfortunately, no. I had unexpected commitments pop up, so I didn't have any free time for my hobby. How is your pet doing? He is doing fantastic. He is not well. Did you have a chance to catch up with your old friend? Yes, it was wonderful. We had a great time. Unfortunately, not. Our schedules didn't align this time. Did you enjoy the cooking class you took last weekend? It was fantastic. I learned some new recipes. Not really. The instructor was disorganized and I didn't learn much. I was disappointed. How's your family doing? They are doing well. Thanks for asking. Not great. My mom isn't feeling well and my sister lost her job. So things are a bit tense at home. Did you enjoy the birthday party you went to? Yes, it was so much fun. We played games, had cake, and I got to see all my friends. Not really. I didn't know many people there and I felt left out. How was your visit to the dentist? It went well. No cavities and my teeth feel super clean. It was uncomfortable. I need to get a filling. And the dentist said I might need a root canal. Did you have a good time at grandma's home? Yes, it was fun. It was okay. I got bored. Grandma's TV only had old shows. Did you have a nice time at the family gathering? Yes, it was lovely. Not really. There was tension between some family members and I felt uncomfortable the whole time. Did you enjoy the pizza we had for dinner? Yes, it was delicious. Not really. I don't like mushrooms and there were mushrooms on the pizza. So I didn't eat much.